In this video, I'll be swapping the low beam headlight bulbs on my first generation Nissan Titan from the OEM halogen bulbs to LED. The marketing team over at Hawkglow reached out to me to review some of their LED bulbs and sent me this set of P2 bulbs for my Titan. I'll include a link in the description below to where you can purchase these bulbs. Also check out the end of the video for a comparison between the original halogen bulbs and these LED ones. Hawkglow has them available in several different sizes to fit a variety of vehicles. The one for the low beams on the first gen Titan are the 9006/HB4. A major problem when switching from halogen to LED headlights is that the headlight housings are designed for halogen bulbs and have reflectors specifically placed for the filament of that bulb. These LED bulbs feature an ultra-thin chip on the top and bottom, which is designed to go in the same location as the halogen filament to correctly focus the beam and minimize light scatter. It also has an adjustable rotation to allow for optimal light focus. The LED driver is built into the module, and it has an internal fan for active cooling to allow the bulb to be as bright as possible. Installing them in my Titan couldn't be easier, and the only tool required is a Phillip screwdriver. To install them, first remove the two Phillip screws in the front of the wheel well liner, then disconnect the connector on the low beam bulb and rotate it to the left to remove the old halogen bulb. Take the new LED bulb and insert it, turning clockwise to lock it in place. Now plug in the connector, making sure that the locking tab is on the correct side. If you plug it in backwards, the bulb won't turn on at all, so just flip the connector around and it should work fine. Now turn on the headlights to check to make sure that it's working before reinstalling the two Phillip screws in the wheel well liner. Installation on the other side is the exact same. First, remove the two Phillip screws, unplug the old bulb and remove it, insert the new bulb and plug it in, then reinstall the two wheel well liner screws. When I first turned on the bulbs, I was blown away by how much brighter they were than the OEM halogen bulbs. I wanted to make sure this was an objective review, so I bought a light meter to give a number on exactly how much brighter they were. From a distance of 32 inches, the halogen bulbs were 10,860 lux, but the P2 LED bulbs were 71,220 lux, which comes out to 6.5 times brighter. With that much extra brightness, I decided I needed to recheck the alignment of my headlight beams before taking my truck out on the road at night, and I'm really glad I did. These new bulbs ended up projecting a beam significantly higher than the stock bulbs, so for your safety and the safety of the drivers around you, make sure you adjust the low beams if you change your headlight bulbs. You can adjust the alignment with either a Phillips head screwdriver or a 10mm wrench. First, find a flat, level area with a vertical wall or surface that you can park away from so that your headlights are 25 feet away from the wall. Next, measure the distance from the ground to the headlight bulb. On the wall, mark 2 inches below that height in front of each headlight. Now, using a Phillips screwdriver, rotate the adjustment screw so that the high-intensity portion of the beam is at or below that line. If the beam appears scattered, you may need to adjust the rotation of the LED bulb. To do this with a bulb on, I highly suggest wearing a pair of insulating gloves since the heatsink on the back does get fairly hot. Rotate the bulb until there's a defined cutoff of light on the top edge of the beam, then go back and adjust the beam height. Comparing the beam intensity at 25 feet, the difference between the halogen and LED was even more pronounced. The max lux with the halogen beams was only 138.8 lux, while the LED bulbs were 1,725, over 12 times brighter. Turning on the high beams with halogen low beams is quite noticeable, but with the LED low beams, there's significantly less difference. You can also upgrade your high beams to LED, which are actually located just below the low beam adjustment screw, accessed from under the hood. But since most of my driving I do is in fairly populated areas, I rarely use my high beams, so I chose to leave them stock. Overall, this was a very easy upgrade with a huge instant boost to visibility. Being fan-cooled bulbs, it does allow them to be brighter and use the same amount of energy as the stock halogen bulbs since they're able to dissipate all that heat generated more easily. There is a slight bit of fan noise when they're on, but you won't be able to hear it over the engine noise. Like I said earlier, you do need to pair the bulb swap with a low beam vertical alignment for safety. But for me, the hardest part of aligning the headlights was simply finding a large enough level place to do it. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comment section below and I'll do my best to answer them. Don't forget to click the like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to the channel if you're not already. Also, check out my Titan playlist for all of my Nissan Titan related videos.